I'm bored in general. I looked at everything around here. I looked at every rock. I broke every rock. I beat all the bosses. I lost to all the bosses. I possibly may even have unsubscribed and resubscribed back to Joe 57's channel. But I could never would have predicted about you. So, let's teach them about this land being a fight for survival out there. Hey, we totally don't have to worry about fighting each other. Keep going. You know, that was probably just a... No, stop! Don't touch me, I didn't touch you like that. Oh, really? You're my army! Hey, what's up? It seems like you've been pretty busy, huh? What? Were you expecting a joke? Well, I actually have myself a question for you. Do you remember your friend? What? Yeah, your friend. Your good friend. Your good friend. Thanks for interrupting me. Well, I have a better question for you. Do you want to have a bad time? Okay. Sorry, girl. This is not where I make promises. It's a beautiful... What? How dare you? Looks like I'm pretty good at my job, huh? Okay, then. Look at your face. Oh, wait! You can't! I'm still alive. Can I start with the fire already? It's a beautiful day outside. Birds are singing, flowers are blooming. On days like these, someone like you is in the depths of a doomed dimension. Okay, you finally can come here what you came here for. Stop it! What? You're the only one who can dodge! You've been the one who's messing around with the underground lately, and I know. You've been listening for time, space, in between this ground. Time and start and jump and starting again. No, you have a wondrous method. Well, when life's doing peacefully. When all of a sudden, everything ends. And then we have to go and relive memories like it all never happened. Look, I gave up a long time ago. And I'm not about to the surface. It doesn't appeal to me more. evil. I'm just sad that you've been always messing around with these lads. No. Maybe it's just my time and that you're troublesome. Or maybe it's because I'm lazy. Doesn't matter. No. Wait, what I'm saying, you probably are watching a video about this, don't you? With that being said, wait. I believe that this isn't what you wanted. You know? It doesn't have to end this way, you know? Come on, bucko, kiddo, pal, friend. Let's have our differences be aside. Lay down your weapon and, well, my job would be a lot easier. Nah. Well, I tried. Well, I actually was really hoping if we actually ended up actually being friends, you know? That's being honest. Maybe we're going to time, eating some food, hanging around, maybe enjoying some memes. I really wish that you were actually that kind of person. But you're the type of person who'll be satisfied with nothing. Anyways, I'm getting really tired and... Hey! You better stop it! Or I'll be forced to use my special... Okay, I will show you my special attack. But first, you need to survive this! Yes! Wait, yes, I won! Wait, huh? Well, it's time for my special attack. Yep, it's absolutely nothing. And that means it's not gonna be your turn evil. We're gonna be being around here until the end. You didn't follow this, huh? Okay, then I'm gonna do nothing. That's right, you better do nothing, because I'm gonna... Psych! Did you really think of me? Oh, got you, didn't I? My lord, do you want anything? Yeah, I had to say. That's strange. You know? Wait, are you the person that tiny See? I didn't betray ya. You know, I can be useful. I can be helpful, you know, and please, don't do it to me. Please, I can be
Stop, Bergen. Fight!